Hey guys, Jason here from Sencore. Today I wanted to bring to you a brand new product, the SCP-2100. It's a cost-effective and portable internet gateway, encoding, and transcoding platform. It's built on ASIC-based technology, so you get the stability and quality you come to expect from a Sencore product. With nearly all input types coming standard, these include ASI, IP, 8VSB, SDI, and HDMI. The opportunities are nearly limitless. With support for nearly all major internet delivery protocols on the output, you get RIST, SRT, and ZXI, along with traditional MPEG over IP for your multicast and unicast applications. H.264 encoding technology up to 1080p 60, along with 2 audio services, make this the ideal choice for nearly every application.